So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in this video we will talk about how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. So firstly, open the settings app on your device, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on the Telegram, click on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache and manage space. Now go back to the previous page and click on the permissions option. Now allow all the permissions, and after this go back to the home page, open the Play Store app. At the bottom tap on the search option and search for Telegram. Now click on the update option and wait it to update. At last just restart your mobile phone, and yeah, this will resolve your problem. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.